This video is intended to supplement the detailed instructions in the package. Locate the pre-installed tubing from inside the basin, attach it to the pump, and note the flow control dial. Locate the LED light cords from inside the basin and attach them to the corresponding inputs on the back side of the pump. Make sure these connections are threaded properly and well tightened. Carefully place the pump inside the fountain basin. You're going to make sure that it goes right to the bottom of that basin and that silicone tubing is free of any kinks or bends that might harm the water flow. You can now place those light cord connections inside the basin, keeping them above the water line. The included stones aren't just for decoration. They'll enhance the sound of the water flow if they're properly placed. Fill with water and use this generous 3-meter cord to plug into a properly grounded outlet.